Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing Google Maps for our final project. Google Maps has a lot of really cool aspects to it that I was never aware of until I explained it or looked through it further. One of the aspects that I think that would be very useful in our final project is just to see the comparison of where people went to do their homework for student life maybe 10, 15, 20 years ago rather than now. One of the hangout spots that I found that people 20 years ago would have gone to hang out is a library. So if you go onto your search Google Maps and you just look up a library, all of these possible libraries in the Sioux Falls area comes up. You can click any of them and it'll give you information on that, how far away it is, what it is, and all that stuff. If you want to, before you go there, you can click this little guy in the corner, and all of this blue shows you where a road map is, like a street map is visible. So if you say you wanted to go to the toy lending library, you can just drop your guy here, and it'll show you where this library is. And if you want to go into the corner map over here to get you a little closer to the library, you can do that. You can just look over here to see the neighborhood, just to see how safe it is, and all that stuff, because safety nowadays is a lot bigger concern than it was a couple, maybe 10 years ago. And then if you go back to the map here, you can look up different places, say like a coffee shop or something. All of these possible places come up for you so that you can look at. Another really cool aspect that I thought we could use in our final project is if we wanted to make a PowerPoint of these places, these hangout places for student life around town. You can embed the map into a PowerPoint. I can show you how you can do that. So if you go onto here, there's a menu over here. You go all the way down, do share or embed map. If you click on that and you click embed map, you can copy the HTML. Once you copy that HTML, you can go onto the PowerPoint. Once you go onto the PowerPoint, you can insert a new slide. Here, you can insert, I just insert a blank slide for this purpose. You can then go onto the Insert tab of your PowerPoint, click on Add-ins, and Web Browser is one of the cool aspects that I found of this PowerPoint. You can then copy and paste the HTML that we used for the Google Maps, and this is one thing that I found to be really cool that we could use in our final project. So once you do that, you can hit preview here, and then this map comes up for you, and it's interactive, so you can show the town, different hotspots in town. So yeah, this would be really cool to maybe create a compilation of all of the different places that people go to hang out for student life. This is just one aspect, maybe just two aspects of Google Maps that I found that would be useful in our final project.